Now we will do Spring 2011 Math 112 Test 2 number 21 and number 22. Number 21. Solving equations with mixed numbers. We have two ways to do this. Let's see. What is the LCD? 4 and 3 is 12, 6 also 12. So let's go on with LCD method, which basically means later on I will multiply each one of them, each term there, by the LCD. But because I need to multiply by the LCD, let's first change these into improper fractions. And then from here I multiply by the LCD, which is 12, right? Now then, let's say negative 11 over 4 times 12. I hope you remember this. We will keep on doing this though. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then I multiply that negative 33. Okay, negative 20 over 3 multiplied by 12. Cross cancel first, right? This is 4. So 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times negative 20 is negative 80. Now likewise, you do the scratch work. Negative 5 over 6x times 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Times 5 is 10. Then from here I go on solving it as usual. This will be 47 equals to negative 10x. Then divide by negative 10 on the other side. Negative 47 over 10 equals to x. This is negative 4. 7 over 10 equals to x. Okay. Now suppose you want to do it with conventional method. Let's do it on the separate sheet of paper. Let's do it here. Negative 2 3/4 equals to negative 6 2/3 minus 5 over 6x. Now if I use conventional method, I will move this. I will move this to the left hand side. Negative 2 3/4 plus 6 2/3 equals to negative 5 over 6x. And then to add mixed numbers, I need LCD. Negative 2, then 6 here, this is 12, this is 9 here, this is 8, right, equals to negative 5 over 6x. Negative 2 plus 6, then the answer will be positive, right? And then to do that, let me move this aside first. To do that, I need to subtract. Let me do this aside. To subtract 6 8 over 12 minus 2 9 over 12, which is I need to do borrowing here. 5 20 over 12 minus 2 9 over 12. That's 3 11 over 12. So this will be 3 11 over 12 equals to negative 5 over 6x. Okay, the next thing I will do is to undo this multiplication, which means I divide the other side by negative 5 over 6, or to multiply it by negative 6 over 5. Now to multiply by mixed numbers, I need to change that first to improper fractions. 36 plus 11 is 47. cross cancelling. This is 2, this is 1, then I get negative 47 over 10 equals to x. And because I have mixed numbers to start with, I change it back to mixed number, negative 4, 7 over 10 equals to x. Okay, now that's for number 21. I present to you here two different ways of doing that: LCD method and conventional method. Now let's move on to number 22. Number 22, we have two grouping symbols. One of them is multiplication, the other one is subtraction. Multiplication comes first. Other teachers may allow you to do both of them at the same time, but to be technically correct, I need to do multiplication first in the grouping symbol, and then the subtraction in the grouping symbol. Here I can cross cancel this. This is 1, this is 2, so I get negative 3 over 10 squared. And then after I'm done with that multiplication, now I will deal with the subtraction. This is negative 1 over 6 minus 2 over 6. You need LCD to subtract this, right? Minus negative 3 over 10 squared. And then I will do this. I will get negative 3 over 6 cubed minus negative 3 over 10 squared. Now, at this point, a lot of students are tempted to do the smiling face here, but you can't do so. This subtraction, this is either subtraction or multiplication, but either way, it is a lower rank compared to exponents. Okay, so we're supposed to do exponents here first. Now, before we do exponents, take a look on this one. Notice that if we do exponents right away, it'll be way too big, while you can reduce this. So instead of doing exponent right away, consider reducing it first. This is equals to negative 1/2 cubed minus negative 3 over 10 squared. Okay, now then we go on doing the exponent. We can do both exponents at the same time. Negative 1/2 cubed, that's negative 1 over 8 minus negative 3/10 being cubed. Negative squared is positive, 3 squared is 9, 10 squared is 100. Now from here, then we do the LCD. The LCD of 8 and 100 is, can you guess? That's 200. Okay, now 8 times 25 is 200, so I'll multiply this by 25. By 25, this is 25, and here I multiply by 2. Then I get negative 43 over 200. Okay, that's for Spring 2011 Math 112 Test 2, number 21 and number 22.